Guys, ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of paper, documents, reports, photos and more? Well, today I've got something that might just be the answer to your woes. We're diving into the CZUR ET Max. This is a book and document scanner, and it's going to make turning paper into computer files an absolute joy. So stick around, because this little device might just revolutionize how you handle your paperwork. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this big box here houses the ET Max book and document scanner from CZUR. Now, if you don't know CZUR, well, they make a ton of different book and document scanners and visualizers. Now, before we get into it, CZUR sent me this ET Max. I'm not going to keep lifting that great big box up here, but they sent me this ET Max to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So it's on the floor right now, but let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first off, this is a pretty full package. We've got some documentation with a CD in here with some software. We also have a finger button so that you can activate the scanner from your desktop. And as well as that, guys, we've got a foot pedal, and this is really handy because you can operate this with your foot and you don't have to use your hands, which you want to really save for holding down and turning pages. And speaking about holding down or turning pages, well, you also get these finger cots. Now, these enable you to hold down or turn pages, and the scanner uses some clever little tech that makes them invisible. So during the scan, you won't see them. And I mean, that is pretty cool. There is also a power adapter and a USB cable, so you can hook this up to your computer. And lastly, guys, you've got this black scanning mat, which is pretty heavy duty. So it lays nice and flat. And this is going to give you better contrast for whatever content you're trying to scan. Now guys, looking at the scanner, and the first thing I can say is it looks pretty premium. I mean, this is something you would want to keep on your desk all the time. Top down, we have a screen so you can actually see what you're scanning, along with indicators for scanning, audio and power. Yes, audio, and a little bit more about that in just a second. Underneath, guys, you've got the actual laser scanner and some lights. And as we move down, we see that there are some side lights that are connected via magnets for extra light when needed, or if you want to scan something shiny and the main lights are too bright, you can actually turn them off and use these side lights. So that's pretty cool. And let me tell you guys, you know what? Sometimes the key to a good scan is definitely lighting. Now, moving down to the base, and there are 4 silver buttons. The plus and minus buttons, when you're in presentation mode, actually let you zoom in or zoom out. You've also got the main light button that if you keep pressing it, it will cycle through the brightness modes. And you've got the camera scan button, although I think I'd prefer to use the pedal or the finger control and keep my hands free. But at the end of the day, that is up to you guys. Now, moving around the back, we have a power on off button. We've got a DC power in socket. We've got a USB connector so that you can hook up the scanner to your computer. And we've got a USB-A socket for either that control button or the foot pedal. And on this model, guys, you've got the HDMI socket. Yep, HDMI, as you can hook this up to a monitor or a projector so you can live stream or project your scans, which is perfect for presentations or collaborative work. Now guys, this CZUR ET Max is not your average scanner. It's a compact all-in-one system that packs a serious punch. At its heart, there is a 38 megapixel camera with 410 dpi of resolution, and this means your scans will be crystal clear, capturing every detail. And in operation, this scanner can capture a page in less than a second. I mean, imagine how quickly you could digitize an entire book. And speaking of books, guys, the ET Max has a clever trick up its sleeve. It uses laser curve flattening technology. Yeah, and this helps you deal with those pesky page curves. No more warped text in the middle of your scans, and no more breaking the spine of your books just to get that scan flat. But guys, yes, although I predominantly use this for books and documents, it can handle photos, sketches, stamps, and even small objects, all in full color. And if you're dealing with glossy materials, as I said, no need to worry, just fire up those detachable lights to minimize glare. Also guys, don't worry about compatibility, as the ET Max is compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux, and the CZUR app makes scanning a breeze. It has OCR functionality supporting over 180 languages, which means you can convert your scans into editable text. The software can also handle multi-target scanning. It can remove fingerprints and clean up backgrounds. And you know what? There's even a stitching function for larger documents. Even scanning photographs, which can be a bit of a painstaking task, is easy, as the ET Max can scan multiple photos at once, and the software recognizes each photo individually. And this is a real time saver. So for all your students out there, imagine scanning your textbooks or research materials. Businesses, think about the ease of digitizing contracts or receipts, or even if you're just tired of storing all your old books and want to digitize them, you can with speed and ease, right down to the finger cots that help you hold those pages down without leaving any marks. It's definitely these little touches that make the ET Max stand out. Now guys, with a 38 megapixel camera and that high resolution, you know what, you are going to use a bit more space for your scans. But don't worry, because the ET Max gives you options. You can adjust the quality settings to balance between file size and scan quality. And remember, it's not just a scanner, it's a document camera too. You could use it for live demonstrations, tutorials, and the built-in microphone means that you can even narrate as you go. And what about the document size? Well, how big a document can this bad boy handle? Well, the scanning area is generous. But you know what, if you have oversized documents, well, that's where that stitching function comes in really handy. Like I said, you can scan in sections and the software will piece them together. Now that is what I call cool. I've been using the ET Max for a while now, and I've got to say it's definitely changed my workflow. I'm digitizing documents I've had lying around for years and books, and you know what, it's freeing up physical space and making my files more accessible. So guys, there you have it. The CZUR ET Max in all its glory. It's more than just a scanner, it's a complete document management solution. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone drowning in paperwork, this could be a game changer. And guys, at the time of this video going live, this ET Max is on Kickstarter. You can have an early bird purchase price of around £387. I'll leave a link to the Kickstarter page in the description so you can see exactly how it's doing and take advantage of that early bird price. And guys, if you have any comments and questions, please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to CZUR for sending me this brilliant multi-purpose scanner solution to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.